This clever tool is an invaluable, possibly life-saving utensil that is equally at home on your keychain, in your pocket, your purse toolbox, or even the kitchen drawer. You never know when you'll need a tool, and this simple, tiny tool makes sure that you're never more than an arm's length away from the basic tools you need. The mini multi-tool instantly folds out and multiplies in the strength of your own hand. The tool also features a super sharp surgical blade so that whenever you require a sharp edge, you'll be prepared no matter the situation. Also included are a mini Phillips head screwdriver and a can opener.